how does the banking network align to open banking? Well, fundamentally, banks must find ways to ensure that everybody who wishes to use their services can use their services. And it's not just banks, it's any provider of financial services. So it could be a provider of unsecured loans or of credit cards. So as transactional data becomes available and consumers agree to share this information, banks must find ways in which consumers can engage effectively with it, not just online, but maybe also in branch. So the challenge that banks and financial services providers have is how do they provide inclusivity, so people who aren't digitally savvy or use services online are not marginalised. So then let's think about what services are available in branch. And there'll be instances whereby some products lend themselves more to a face-to-face contact than online. So a classic example might be the application for a mortgage, or it could be financial advice associated with your pension or maybe an investment, whereby face-to-face contact might be more relevant. There is also an argument that says services which you could consume online could be available online in a branch, but with the assistance of a customer service exec or something like that. So banks must ensure inclusivity in the world of open banking and ensure that services are available to all, not just those who are competent online users. Okay? And that'll provide challenges around how they organise their networks, how they understand how consumers want to consume services, be they online or in branch, and where are the concentrations of those customers across the country. So it starts to get them thinking about how they reorganise their infrastructure to make sure they can service the demands of all customers. And it becomes more interesting because it's not just the established players in the market, it's the new entrants in the market, and the new entrants will be looking at ways of creating a niche in the market in which they can exploit particular consumer demands and tastes, and so that it can cater for those and ensure that they can get a foothold in the market.